So in this video, you'll learn how to use the built-in compass on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So the first step is to ensure that you've enabled the edge panels and that you've added the tools panel to your tablet. So the first step in order for you to go through that process is to simply open settings. Under settings, you then want to scroll and select display, and then you want to look for edge panels and tap on it. If they're disabled, just tap on the toggle to enable them. Then from here, tap on panels. Next, select tools so that you can add it to your edge panels section. And once you've done that, you can now close the settings app. From here, simply swipe to bring about the edge panels. So look for the handle and swipe on it to bring the edge panels forward. Then from here, swipe until you get to the tools section. Once you get to tools, the first tool that you see should be the compass. If it's not, then you can just tap on the three dots and then select compass. From here, you now need to set up the compass. So tap on it once, and then once you've done that, you will have successfully given it the permission to access your location. From here, you'll now see whenever you point your tablet in a certain direction, the compass will follow with the direction that's in degrees. Whether it's east, west, northeast, or northwest, it all depends on the direction you're pointing your tablet in. And again, you'll see as you move, so does the compass. If you feel as if the location isn't the best or you want to just confirm that it's correct, then you can tap on calibrate, move your tablet around, and then once you've done that, you can see the newly calibrated compass. And if it's still showing the exact same coordinates as it was before, then it means it was completely accurate. So now you can go ahead and use the compass on your Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.